perfect example. Yung cuisine natin, think about, for example, Filipino spaghetti.
Yeah.
How weird. Pero alam mong Filipino yun eh.
Oo.
Because we Filipinized something that was brought by the Americans, that came from the Italians, na parang ang dami nang napuntahan.
Oo.
But when we eat it, we know it's Filipino because it's sweet, may hotdog siya, minsan corned beef.
Mm.
If you look, for example, at pancit, which comes from the Chinese also. But pancit just means it's easy to make. Yun lang talaga yung ibig sabihin niya. You look at the different kinds of pancit in different regions, yung sahog doon is kung ano yung meron sila. Like seafood, kung malapit sila sa baybay. Kung ano naman, karne, iba-iba. So, it's a matter of bringing it to our experience. How do we use these foreign experiences or foreign brought experiences to express who we are? And we see this in religion, we see this in cuisine, we see this in language. Saan ka nakarinig ng comfort room? Something like this, di ba? Parang it's so Filipinized. OA gets these terms, parang English, pero Filipino eh.
Oo nga. Wala nga tayong, Filipino is actually a hybrid.
Sure, yeah.
Adobo.
Oo.
Actually, Direk Eric Mati actually, his position is the national dish. Kasi mahilig tayo sa kanya, national dish. The only one that can claim to be truly Filipino in origins is sisig.
Okay, paano?
Because you can actually trace where it was invented at hindi naman yata it was actually invented in Pampanga by a certain person. So hindi...
Okay, but why? So, sisig, yun yung mga ulo na diniscard ng Americans. Yung may base doon, di ba? So, they would discard the heads.
Okay.
And sabihin natin, oh, sayang naman, lutuin natin. So, you see, there's still foreign presence.
Yes.
So, these things na parang meron palang pinanggagalingan,
Oo.
does it really matter kung saan siya galing? What matters is we're using it eh.
Oo.
What matters is that it's important to us. So, the way I look at it is, you know what a desire path is?
No.
Sa,
If I knew, I wouldn't be here.
yun nga. So, you look at these parks, di ba? You have these parks where there are concrete roads, pero meron pa ring dirt path sa mga park na to. Yun yung desire path. Because that's the easiest way that people would pass. So if you think about colonization and decolonization as desire paths, you think of colonization as the concrete roads. Desire path is where people actually intuitively move through the space. That's the decolonization. I'm not saying that the concrete paths are useless, but we have to look na parang may saysay ba yung mga paths na yun. Oh, kailangan ba nating palitan? Tanggalin? Dagdagan ng path? That's the work that we're doing, is that it's not about removing things porket hindi siya Pilipino, or it's not about accepting things porket Pilipino siya. It's more about what's